Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me. Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a let me rewind because I skipped an important part. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be making a U-part wig. Yeah. I ordered this. Y'all, I'm jacking these little intros up. Anyway, I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a U-part wig cap. Can't be that hard. It does have a strap in the back, adjustable strap. It doesn't have any clips on it. However, I will be putting clips on it also. So yeah, like I said, it can't be that hard. I make whole ass wigs, okay? I make whole wigs. So I know I could tackle this. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing it on the sewing machine or by hand, but most likely it'll be on the sewing machine. Okay, so stay tuned. Give me a thumbs up, keep your fingers crossed and all that good stuff, that this comes out okay. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be using a 16-inch bundle of body wave hair. And I also took out a 14-inch just in case I needed more. Just checking my machine to make sure it's threaded properly and everything's working properly before I start. Because for some reason, every time I get on the sewing machine, either it messes up in the beginning or the end. Either way, half the time I end up making a wig halfway with the sewing machine and then hand sewing it the rest of the way. But yeah, that's the cap right there. Put my first little track on. See if I can zoom in for you guys. Okay, you guys, I zoomed in as close as I could. I wonder how people be sewing and the camera be right there on the foot of the sewing machine. I don't understand that. I have to get this angle going on, you guys. But anyway, I just took it like halfway across the back bottom row. And I also reverse it when I first start off with reverse it 2 or 3 times on the edge, and then when I get to the next edge I do the same thing. Oh guys, look at that first little row. That first little row, it's kind of cute. Uh-oh. Lining it up again. Then you put that needle down into the cap and make sure you clamp it down. Forward, backwards, forwards, backwards, forward. And then keep going. At this point, I had not made guidelines for it. So I was just sewing on. This is, like I said, this is my first one. This is not a tutorial whatsoever. But yeah. Later on, I went in and I did put some lines in there. I think when I needed more thread before I went to go get more thread or something like that. Look at that, you guys. I think that's going to be cute. Okay, you guys, I am back from Walmart. And I'm almost done with this thing. Child. Oh, hell. The dang old thing that came out. Stuff don't go wrong when I'm making the wig in the sewing machine until I start vlogging this shit, y'all. Okay. Now, look, you guys. Almost done. And I didn't go by any of the guidelines at all. I sure didn't. I veered off the beaten path. But it still looks good. So yeah. That's that. So here we go, you guys. Let's see. And this is by no means a tutorial. Tutorial, whatever you want to call it. It's not that. This is my first time doing it, so how I'm going to call myself trying to teach somebody else how to do something. Not about to go through this with this goddamn. Okay, cool. Thank you, Bobby. Start acting up. I'm just cutting the little dang on thread, girl. Cutting the threads off. And the drag off. Let's see how long this is, because I really do not want to open another bundle of hair. Just, ooh wee, Lola. That wasn't secure. Looks like I'm going to have to open another bundle, guys. Okay, should I just, let me see. I don't want to open up another pack of hair for this. I can just cut this off right there and just put this right here. Nah, but then I would know. I would know. Hold on, y'all. Let me get a whole nother, You guys, I did have to go and open up a 14-inch bundle, but that's okay. It'll give it more of a full layered look. Even if, I'm not even selling this to anybody. Even if I want to flat iron it and barely bump it, it'll give it some layered looks, or it'll give it some body wave looking curls. And it'll look cute. All I'm doing is going in right now with sewing the 14-inch on. Okay, you guys, I'm done with it right now. So all I'm doing right now is showing you guys what it looked like, and it looks fabulous, you guys. And then I just realized that it was a large cap, you guys. A large cap. What was I going over there for? Oh, better scissors, I believe. Yep, better scissors. Right now I'm just cutting that little back piece off, the little tail looking part in the back of a wig, or the wig cap. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut the lace off of that right there, because I don't want that there. I'm not sewing anything on it, so I'm good. I keep forgetting to hold stuff up higher for you guys. Trying to go very slow, very, very slow, cutting that lace off. Okay, you guys, I just finished it. And I don't even know. Oh, I went over to my little station area, because I was going to start sewing the clips on. And wasn't watching the angle of the camera or nothing, just talking and talking. Okay, here we go. That came out really, look at how pretty that is, you guys. I didn't feel like taking my wig off, but because I had somewhere to go. At this moment, I was just ready to be through with it. You guys, I started sewing the clips on, and if I tell you, it went through one of the holes, but it wasn't going through the other one. I was like, what is going on here? So at that moment, I just decided that I was not going to finish this tonight. This shit gonna get hot glued on this damn thing. How the hell is the needle not gonna fit? Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll go through the next one and not that. Surely won't fit through that one either. You guys, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break for real. You guys. I have come to the realization that I ain't even gotta finish this today. Because I'm not uploaded until Monday anyway. So it's gonna go, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. I'll finish it tomorrow sometime, but I ain't doing it today. This stuff is giving me like a headache. Not even a headache. How the needle's not gonna fit through the holes? How the needle's not gonna fit through the holes? That don't make no sense, y'all. None at all. Besides which, I had some chicken in the oven and I'm pretty sure it's kind of burnt right now. Fooling with this thing back here. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow, you guys, to finish. Okay, you guys, I finished making the U-part wig and it came out pretty good. I put 3 hooks on it. Let me show you guys. A hook here, a hook here, and a hook in the center. I didn't put one in the back because it has the elastic band thingy to tighten it, but I think I am going to end up putting one down here. I will put it on, you guys, but I just put my wig on. And it's too big for my head. I didn't realize that this was a large. So it's for a large head. I did try it on last night. It was kind of baggy, so yeah. It's for a large head. But all in all, I think it came out pretty cute. For a U-part, put it on. Snap, snap. Leave out the top part of your hair. Put some like little wand curls in it, and yeah. So that is it for this. I did finish it on the sewing machine. The sewing machine did not disappoint me. And then I just sewed the clips on. I think the next time I do this, I'm not going to sew the clips on because they're hard to snap. I'm just going to put the combs on there. That makes it easier. Just the combs. That's it. But yeah, you guys. This is it. If I ever wear it, look like it'll be a good, cute little ponytail too, huh? What y'all think? But okay, you guys, I'm out. Just want to show you guys this T-part unit that I made. Hope you enjoyed the video. This was not a tutorial. Like I said, it was my first time making one, so why would I try? So why would I try teaching somebody something that I don't really know? It's just a y'all learning while I learn, okay? So yeah, again, it was not a tutorial. It's my first time making one. And I know what not to do the second time. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.